Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Nissan Cabstar. From any screen, if you first of all, if you click the menu, if you click the menu like that, you've got Navi there. It's a touch screen, which I've just wafted along there somehow with my fingers, and also you've got menu down here, so you can do that, or you've got Navi, the button there. Just click back, Navi. Menu's just in the corner. New route, click new route. Address, places, shared location, history. So we'll go to address, town or postcode there. So PR onto numbers, which is the 1, 2, 3 there, 5. And you see there actually now then, how do we get down there? PR5. Oh, PR54, that's what I'm after. PR54, Preston Bamburgh Bridge, street. Sorry, my fingers, they never work on here. We want Chorley Road. It's defaulted there to Chorley Road really, so we'll just click on that, select that. As I say, my fingers. House number, no house number, so go to street, select as destination, select, calculating route.
Route summary, B6230, A675, B6258.
Yep, that's it. That's how you set the sat nav.